Hey there everybody, in this episode we are going to make a vase using Fusion 360. So let's start out with a sketch here. I'm going to start right here on this bottom plane, grab a circular circle for a vase. So I'm going to draw it out, and I forgot to change it to inches. So I'm going to hit escape on my keyboard real quick. Hit this down arrow over here on document settings, hit the pencil, edit, and change this to inches, hit OK. And now if I find my dimension, which is right here, and I do this, there we go, let's make this 3 inches. Cool. Hit your finished sketch. Grab your extrude, drag that up to 6 inches. So I'm just going to type right in there and hit enter. I'm going to double click the center roller button to zoom out. Then I'm going to start a new sketch right on the top here. And I'm going to grab another circle, start right in the center there. And right now I'm not going to do a dimension. So I just clicked on it because I'm going to grab my dimension now, and I'm going to offset this. So I'm going to go from the new smaller circle to the outside circle and drag this up. So this distance from the big circle to the small circle will always be 0.25. So I'm going to type 0.25 and hit enter there and finish that sketch, and I'm going to extrude that away. So click on extrude again, click here. I'm going to drag this down. Now you'll notice this goes negative. So if I start typing like 5.75, you'll see it jumps up. So I need to be negative. I'm going to change that to a negative sign over here on the right side. And then it jumps down because it's negative. And I'm going to hit OK. And from what I was telling you just a second ago, like keeping that offset, if I get back into this sketch over here and I change this to 4, it makes the circle bigger, but you can see the offset stays at 0.25. So I'm going to keep that at 4 inches now. The next thing I want to do is something new, I think, for a lot of us, since this is like a beginning tutorial. I'm going to use this fillet. And the other nice thing I haven't pointed out is you can always hover over one of the tools on the top. If you don't know what it does, it gives you good illustrations and descriptions of what happens. It even shows you the shortcut. So to fillet it is lowercase f, and it curves, helps do some curves. So go ahead and click on that, and I'm going to click on this inside and this outside, and I'm going to make that 0.75. I meant 0.75, 0.075. There we go. And I'm going to hit OK. And if you can kind of zoom in, you can see its curve there. All right. One of the last things we want to do is make it glass, because we're making a vase. So how do I do that? I click over here, double click on the body. No, I'm sorry. Right click on body 1, go to physical appearance. Check that. Hit the plus sign apparently. You can scroll on down until you find glass. You can drag what you want over here. There you go. I've got a gold glass vase, sorry. Okay, and last and certainly not least is saving your work. So go File, Save, and I'm going to call this Vase, your initials, put it in the practice folder, and we're all done. I'm going to hit Save and show your teacher when you're done. Good job. Thanks for watching.